Master DIY expert and TV host David Sheinkopf is here to share his must-have products to improve, modernize, and protect your property inside and out.
Fall is the perfect time to complete your improvement projects and make sure your home, car, and yard are ready for the season ahead. One of the brands I partner with today, PostIt Extreme Notes, can make any of these projects easier and more organized. They're durable, writable, and water resistant, and can stick to textured surfaces including wood, brick, cement, tile, and more, even in extreme hot and cold temperatures. They come in regular 3x3 size and new XL, so you can use them for labeling or even for punch lists. They also remove cleanly, which is a big plus. One piece of property that really takes a beating in the winter is your vehicle. Scraping ice or defrosting the windshield isn't a great way to start your day, which is why I recommend a Frost Guard Deluxe windshield and mirror cover set. It has fit-fast elastic straps and security panels that will hold on even in windy conditions. It installs and removes in seconds, comes in standard and XL with various patterns and colors, and covers those new wiper blades too, getting you on the road quickly and safely. For more info, go to postit.com/extreme and frostguard.us.
Thanks, David.